Hi everyone! In this video, I'm going to be talking about Sambavi Mudra, which is a mudra that I use every single day, actually. I use it in my morning meditation, use it with the different breath practices, pranayamas, and also kriya. So, a little bit about mudras. Mudras can be specific hand gestures, right? That you might have seen. This is also mudra. This is also mudra, right? Mudras can include different positions of the eye, different positions of the body, and also breathing techniques. There are hundreds of mudras available for us to practice, and each of them with different effects, different healing properties. Some of them are going to have an immediate effect on us, and some of them requires a consistent practice and also like for longer periods of time. So by applying these mudras, what we do is we create energetic shifts in our physical, also in our mental, and in our energetic body by guiding the energetic flow and reflexes towards the brain. Speaking of Sambavi Mudra, there are 3 different ways we can practice it. One is by keeping our eyes closed, rolling the eyes upward, gazing towards the third eye, which is one of our main energy center in our body. It is the seat of our intuition, transcendental wisdom, deep inner knowing, right? And so we can practice it with our eyes closed, also with our eyes open, and you're just gazing again upward, focusing at the third eye. Or we can just keep our eyes open and just look straight like forward, but we're not focusing on a specific point. We are just looking into the air, like looking into the space, and we're keeping our awareness at the third eye again. So the word Sambavi means that which opens the doorway to possibilities. We are focusing our awareness at the third eye, right? Now, wherever you focus your attention to, energy will follow that. And what we do in this practice is we awaken our third eye center. So we are increasing our ability to connect with our intuition, and your capacity to presence will naturally start to increase by practicing this. Like, for example, whenever you experience yourself overthinking, you just close your eyes, you come to the breath, and apply Sambavi Mudra, focusing at the third eye. What it does, it brings you into the present moment. The more you practice, the more you will be able to stay in that state. Also, it affects our mental health. It promotes optimal brain health if we are practicing it consistently. So that is briefly about Sambavi Mudra. In the next video, I'm going to talk about Mula Bandha, root lock. Thank you for listening, and I see you in the next video.